Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to add photo into Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose the templates to create a design. In this tutorial, I will use presentation. So I click it. So a design page is created. Next, we can go to left toolbar. We can find uploads. And then go to three dots menu. We can upload the photo through these apps. Or we can go back to the first page. We can click the button, upload files, and then upload the file through the desktop. So we can click open to upload the photo. So I click the uploads again, and then go to click the image to add photo into Canva design. This is the first option. I delete the photo. The second option, we can go to the file folder, and then we can drag and drop the photo into Canva design directly. So we can add the photo. So this is how we can add photo in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.